Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This lovely moderate-sized house sits majestically in the quiet community of Gazeland, St. Elizabeth. The land area is approximately 10,917 square feet. It comes with 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's a real gem with lots of potential and is suitable for a small family or is ideal for that much sought after Air BnB property investment. The entire house is spacious and the lovely columns inside gives the house an air of stateliness. The backyard is loaded with a variety of fruit trees, inclusive of Julie mangoes, cherries, naseberry, sweetsop, soursop, etc. Don't miss out on this beauty. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34.8 million or US $226.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.